Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Where did Muslims gathered during the secret da'wah happen at early stage of prophethood? Your options are option A, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu's house, or option B, the Arqam's house. The right answer is option B, the Arqam's house. How many people embraced Islam during the early stage? Your options are option A 55 or option B 40. The right answer is option B 40. Who built the iron barrier to prevent entry of Yajuj Majuj? Your options are option A Zakaria alayhi salam or option B Zulqarnain alayhi salam. The right answer is option B Zulqarnain alayhi salam. Which door of Jannah will welcome for those who fast? Your options are option A Al-Firdaus or option B Ar-Rayyan. The right answer is option B Ar-Rayyan. How did Prophet ﷺ received Wahi? Your options are option A in the form of leaves or option B in the form of voice. The right answer is option B in the form of voice. What is the meaning of Surah At-Takwir? Your options are option A, the overthrowing, or option B, the inevitable. The right answer is option A, the overthrowing. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Infitar? Your options are option A, the messenger, or option B, the cleaving. The right answer is option B, the cleaving. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Mutaffifin? Your options are option A, the prohibition, or option B, those who deal in fraud. The right answer is option B, those who deal in fraud. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Inshiqaq? Your options are option A, those who pull out, or option B, the splitting, asunder. The right answer is option B, the splitting asunder. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Buruj? Your options are option A, he frowned, or option B, the star. The right answer is option B, the stars.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.